Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently received your DoorDash Crimson card but do not want to use the app for activation, you may be wondering if there is another way to get the card ready to use. Many users prefer activating cards through a website or customer support instead of downloading another app. It can feel confusing when most instructions only talk about app activation, making it seem like there are no other options available. The good part is that depending on your account setup, there may be alternative methods to activate the card without opening the app. The important part is having the card details and account information ready before starting. In this video, I will show you step by step how to activate a DoorDash Crimson card without using the app. Try these. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash website and sign in to the DoorDash account linked with the DoorDash Crimson card. Step 2. Find the payment or card management section in the DoorDash account for the DoorDash Crimson card. Step 3. Enter the details printed on the DoorDash Crimson card when requested by the DoorDash system. Step 4. Contact DoorDash support for the DoorDash Crimson card if website activation is unavailable. Step 5. Verify identity details connected to the DoorDash Crimson card to complete activation. Step 6. Confirm the DoorDash Crimson card is active by checking the DoorDash account status.